Good morning. It's Merritt with Apteros Trading. Looking at the S&P futures, it's October 5th. Let's start with yesterday, October 4th, see what happened versus what we were looking for. The main scenarios yesterday were if we could get above 43.45, looking long. If we could get above 43.60, looking long. Well, guess what? Opening test drive there off of 45, couldn't get through it, so obviously neither of those main scenarios were in play, and we got a good sell-off. We kind of hinted that this level was technically bearish, but we were bullish. Just wanted to note that it was very, we made it yellow to signify that it was very important. Anyway, sold off. There's pullback opportunities along the way if you're aggressive and active, and then we just get down again into this cluster of kind of neutral support levels here and absolute chop fest the rest of the day. Yeah, for some people there's opportunity in this, for others there's not. Just depends on you. We don't have to cover all that here today. So speaking of today, let's go talk about it. A little rally overnight, one little more stop run there, and then we're back up to this neutral level presently. Let me pause the video and adjust some level. All right, so another important level here. Today we're gonna lean on 43.12 area pretty hard. We are bullish from 42.80. Makes sense. Been down here a few times, flushed out some stops. That could be a place to lean long from. Big picture overall, if you want to know what I really think, I think that this is still important, but this is really what it's all about. 43.60 is just by far the most important level. And I know that's quite a ways away, so it may not really come into play today, but just big picture, S&P right now, what do I think? Leaning bullish overall, but the trade is not really quite there yet until we get above 43.60. If we get something above there and pulling back, I'll fight you for whatever offers we have to lift. Anyways, in terms of scenarios for today, I think this is like I said, really important. I wouldn't just short against it or anything like that, but if we do come up and try and begin to hold above there, I'll cautiously go long, and if that fails, I'd be happy to go with short, looking for reversion back towards this bull zone, which is probably going to lead to more chop, because that is right smack dab into yesterday's big fat distribution if you use profiles. Other than that, you can play these levels as they come. Something that starts to hold above 43.29, 43.30. You can start to play longs. This is a big one here, as we've mentioned. Again, 43.45. That's where we started with the analysis yesterday. If we can get and hold above there, that's bullish, but you gotta watch out for 43.60. That is the most important level. Now, if things really start to fall apart, I think if we get below this bull zone, I don't think these neutral levels are going to hold us again. I think that anything below here should be aggressively shorted. That's what I'll be doing. All right, good luck.